Hello everybody, this is Dr. Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a challenge lock picking video. Today's lock is Sinner by Sammons, and that is the bit of the key. Pretty gnarly. This one I have had open, but I've just never managed to get it picked on camera. Every time I try, I struggle. So here we go again. The tension lights will slip out as well, I forgot to mention. And there we go. We'll get it open. So Sinner, you little bugger. Excellent little challenge lock. Wonderful job there, Roy. Thank you very much for letting me have a go and picking this. Look at the bitting on that. It was the tension I was struggling with. I was struggling with keeping the tension at the right pressure without oversetting things. But we got there at the end with the little DeForest half diamond. So happy with that. Another one bites the dust, another one logged. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.